Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your private TikTok account into public account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on profile at the right bottom corner. Then here you can see the option of my account is private and it will be shown in the top private account. So now you need to click on three bars at the top right corner. Then you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on privacy, and here you can see that private account is now turned on. I simply need to click on that and turn it off, and then I need to click on confirm. Then I need to go back. So you can see that private account label is now removed, and now my this account is public account. So by following these steps you can easily convert your private TikTok account into public account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.